Firefighters don't learn how to use new equipment on a real house fire, and doctors aren't learning new methods on real open heart surgery. So then why are you practicing on your clients? If you and your team aren't practicing role plays, then that's exactly what you're doing. You're practicing when money is on the line. In economic times like these, when you're trying to get more sales, you can't be stumbling, fumbling, and bumbling. Regular role play with your team helps keep you on top of your game. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Your mind shoots immediately to awkward improv theater exercises with a bunch of weirdos. And aside from that, you might just not want your performance judged in front of your peers. That makes sense. Here's the thing. If you don't practice, how are you gonna get better? By creating a culture of trust and learning, you and your team can hone the skills needed for the sales of today. But here's the thing, your roleplay cannot be punitive. That changes the whole teaching energy. You actually want people to make mistakes here so that everyone can learn. If you're a leader, make sure to model this yourself. Make sure to make mistakes, call them out, and then learn from them. If you think you already have so much experience that you don't really need roleplay to continue with your career, you might need it the most, my friend. Just like world-class athletes, we need to get the reps in during practice as well. Partner up with somebody with more experience than you, and I bet even you can learn a thing or two. If you need tips on how to set up that roleplay with your team, check out the link in the description. It gives great advice. Love roleplay? Hate roleplay? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. And as always, like and subscribe to be in the know about how to earn your buyers' trust. See you next time.